just hooked up to another rock bass. His was a lot bigger.
Thank you for admitting that, Connor.
Yeah, the one he caught is a different video, but it's probably like plus this, plus like another 3 inches. Yep, just gonna let him go. Hopefully we can get on some smallmouth. See you in another video.